Here is a 10-question quiz on digits, place values, and values for you to answer. I want you to answer these questions and give me your score in the comment section. So go get a book and a pen right now. If you want to do well in this quiz, make sure you have watched the video on digits, place values, and values. Let's go. Number 1. What is the value of 7 in 12,475? Pause the video and answer. 12,475. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, tens of thousands. We are looking for the value of 7. 7 is under tens, right? So you do 7 times 10. The answer is 70. Were you able to get that? Okay, let's go to number 2. Find the place value of 6 in 4,698,247. So we have 4,698,247. Unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, tens of thousand, hundreds of thousand, million. We are looking for the place value of 6. You can clearly see that 6 is under what? Hundreds of thousands. So the place value is what? Hundreds of thousands. Number 3. What is the place value and value of the underlying digits in 2,480,259? The underlying digit is 0. The place value is thousands. The value is what? 0. 0 is always 0, no matter where it stands. Okay? Number 4. How many digits are in 100,000? 100, that's 100, a comma, and 3 zeros to represent 1,000. Now, how many digits are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 digits. Okay, number 5. How many zeros are in 100,000? Now, this one is talking about the number of zeros. So we write 100,000 again. How many zeros do you see there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. You see, digits are different from the number of zeros. The next question. What is the largest 8-digit number? Now, the largest numbers must be made up of 9s. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 99,999,999. That is the largest 8-digit number. Number 7. What is the smallest 7-digit number? The smallest number must have 1 and the number of zeros that will complete 8 in the category. So this is category of 7-digit numbers. I have 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That is 1 million. So 1 million is the smallest 7-digit number. The next question. Find the value of 3 in 348,976,549. So we have 348,976,549. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, tens of thousand, hundreds of thousand, million, tens of million, hundreds of millions. Now 3 is under hundreds of millions. I'm going to use the faster way to get the value. So I'll just write 3 and the rest of these digits will be zeros. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 300 million. The value of 3 is 300 million. Number 9. Which digit has the largest value in 25,678? So we have 25,678 and we're looking for the digit with the largest value. In questions like this, it's always the first digit, and the first digit here is 2. So the answer is what? 2. 2 is the largest because the value is what? 20,000. The value of 5 is what? 5,000. The value of 6 is 600. The value of 7 is 70. The value of 8 is 8. The last question, number 10. Which digit has the smallest value in 1,496? So you have 1,496. The smallest is the last digit, which is 6. That is the number that has the smallest value. And the reason remains because it is under the units place value. Okay? So the last digit is always the smallest, and the first digit is always the what? Largest in questions like this. Okay, I hope you are able to carry out the quiz honestly by pausing the video and answering each question before playing it again. If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you want to participate in more quizzes like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we'll be doing more videos for you. There is a gift I'm giving out right now because of my birthday, which happened on the 25th of August. So go and watch the video that talks about the gifts and get the gift right now before the time for it elapses because it is time bound. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.